We're on the road again with the Chariot Bucket. We've been placing this tool in the hands of sign installers. We call them our VPs of R&D because the best ideas are inspired in the field. With a small chassis and plenty of organized storage space, the van ladder makes a great service rig. But we want to be the bucket of choice for installs up to 200 pounds, a real one-man aerial workshop. That's why we developed the Chariot Bucket. Today we're with Rick from Precision Signs. Rick's been doing sign work for over 20 years and his dad was a sign worker as well. So I guess you could say it's in his blood. How does Rick like the new van ladder?
They're great. They make a two-man job very easy with one person. Using the basket today probably saved me 4 hours easy. What it would normally take two guys to do, I can do it by myself in that one basket. It's definitely faster, more maneuverable, and definitely you can get it right where you want it. So your hands-free installing those big letters like that makes it really, really good. You wouldn't need a two-man basket or a jib. If this could reach it, you can do it with this. You got so much maneuverability in there that you don't have with a basket that doesn't have the radius turn. And it's a round basket, not a square, so you're not getting jammed in the corners. So that makes up a lot of difference as well. I prefer this basket. It's super easy. I have to admit, it's very easy.
We asked Rick to try out our new pattern arms. It shouldn't take two people to hang a pattern on a wall, but it definitely takes 4 arms. Adjustable in multiple directions, the pattern arms take the frustration out of hanging paper, even in the wind.
Pattern arms, I would say maybe.
Yeah.
They worked really good because it frees up your hands. With the basket being able to rotate like that, you can get the pattern closer to the wall, further away from the wall. So when you start to run your pattern, you can just follow it right down the wall without fear of it ripping.
Yeah.
So I like that quite a bit.
Finally, we asked Rick about the Rockport Box.
I like the spaciousness it gives you. You can actually go inside of it, and if you have to put some vinyl down on the space that you pulled, you got ample room inside to where you don't have the elements outside. You can still, and anything you need to do inside, you can go inside of here to do, instead of having to rely on the business that you're working at, wind blowing, rain, just about anything. No, that's perfect and ideal. I like it a lot.
This truck is perfect for who?
For Rick Kinder.
There you have it, a small maneuverable chassis, plenty of organized space, and a bucket that gives you an extra set of hands. Might the van ladder be the perfect bucket truck for you too?